You're thinking about buying the Xbox wireless controller. I've used it for months, and I'll show you everything from the textured grip to the Bluetooth. But here's what surprised me. This controller has some serious hidden problems that could ruin your gaming experience. Therefore, before you spend your money, you need to hear this honest, no BS review. For the best price, click the link in the description. Let's start with the good because it's important. This controller feels fantastic. The textured grip on the triggers and back is a huge upgrade. It's like they finally realized our hands aren't made of smooth plastic. The shape is sleek, comfortable for long sessions, and it's compatible with everything: Xbox One, Xbox Series XS, and Windows 10 via Bluetooth. The wireless range is improved, up to twice the distance of older models. Pairing is simple. The 3.5mm headset jack is a welcome standard, and the price, around $63, seems fair for an official controller. It has a 4.4-star rating on Amazon. That's the shiny box. But the box hides the issues. Therefore, let's dive into the first major problem: build quality inconsistencies. Many users, and I've experienced this myself, report sticky or unresponsive buttons, especially the A button. It's not a software glitch, it's a physical defect. The button gets stuck down or requires excessive pressure. In a fast-paced game, this is a disaster. You're trying to jump in a platformer or confirm a selection and nothing happens. It's like your controller decided to take a nap during the boss fight. This isn't isolated. Top Amazon reviews frequently mention this. One user said their controller arrived with a faulty button. Another reported it developed after a few weeks. This is a gamble. You might get a perfect one, or you might get a dud that makes you want to throw it like a boomerang, except it probably wouldn't come back. So what about the celebrated Bluetooth connectivity for PC gaming? But here's the twist. It's not as seamless as advertised. Therefore, you might face frequent disconnects or pairing headaches on Windows 10. The controller uses both Xbox wireless protocol and Bluetooth. Bluetooth is convenient, but it can be unstable. Interference from other devices, driver issues, or simply Windows being Windows can cause dropouts. Your character stops moving mid-fight. It's like your controller is ghosting you. Some users need to use the Xbox wireless adapter for a stable connection, which is an extra $25. So that $63 controller can suddenly cost $88. That's a hidden fee they don't mention on the box. Is your PC ready for that relationship? Let's talk about battery life, a crucial factor for any wireless device. But the controller doesn't include a rechargeable battery. Therefore, you're stuck buying batteries separately or investing in a play-in charge kit. The product description proudly lists features but omits this cost. You get a controller but no power. It's like buying a car without an engine and being told, "Oh, the engine is extra." This adds ongoing expense. Using standard AA batteries means constant replacement or the upfront cost of a rechargeable solution. Compared to competitors that include internal batteries, this is a dated approach. Your wireless range is great, but your wallet's range is shrinking. Now the textured grip feels great, right? But over time it can wear down. Therefore, that premium feel might degrade. For some users, the texture on the back smooths out after heavy use. It's not a deal breaker, but it's a detail. You buy it for that enhanced comfort, and it might not last as long as you hope. It's like a relationship that starts hot and then just wants to watch Netflix quietly. We've covered hardware. What about the software features like custom button mapping? But the button mapping requires the Xbox Accessories app. Therefore, you're locked into Microsoft's ecosystem on a Windows PC. It's not a universal system utility. If the app has issues or updates break something, you lose your custom layouts. It's a cool feature, but its implementation is fragile. And let's be honest, remapping buttons is something many third-party controllers offer more flexibly. It's not a unique advantage. So, is this controller a complete disaster? No. Therefore, for the right user, it's still okay. If you need an official Xbox controller for your console and you get a flawless unit, it's a good experience. The comfort and design are top-notch when they work. The compatibility is broad. But the risks are real. The inconsistent build quality, the potential Bluetooth woes on PC, and the extra battery cost create a cloud of uncertainty. For a $63 product from a giant like Microsoft, that's disappointing. It's like ordering a premium burger and finding out the pickle is missing, the bun is stale, and you have to pay extra for the ketchup. What should you do instead? Here's the resolution. First, consider your primary use. If it's mainly for Xbox console gaming and you can test it quickly for button issues, it might be acceptable. Check the return policy. Be ready to send it back if the button feels mushy. It's a controller lottery. Second, for PC gaming, evaluate alternatives. Many dedicated PC controllers or third-party wireless options offer better stability, included batteries, and more consistent quality for a similar price. The Xbox wireless adapter is a solution, but it adds cost. Bluetooth is a compromise. Third, if you buy it, get a rechargeable battery kit immediately. Factor that into your total cost. Don't let the battery situation surprise you. It's the controller's silent partner and it demands payment. Finally, remember the 4.4-star rating. Many happy users exist, but the negative reviews often highlight these exact problems. Sticky buttons, connectivity issues. Your experience could be anywhere on that spectrum. Buying this controller is not a sure thing. It's a bet. And in gaming, you don't want your hardware to be a gamble. You want reliability. You want a tool that responds every time. When you press A, you need it to work, not contemplate its existence. Therefore, my final verdict: don't buy the Xbox wireless controller blindly. Be aware of the potential problems. If you can accept the gamble and the extra costs, proceed with caution. But if you seek guaranteed reliability for your money, look at other options. For the best price on Amazon, if you decide to proceed, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching this honest review. May your buttons always be responsive and your connections never drop. Game on.